the rape of a 6-year-old girl by 3 boys aged 10 to 15. The father of the victim demanded that they should be punished as adults. How is India actually dealing with juvenile offenders? Under the Juvenile Justice Act, the focus is not punishment but reform. A juvenile in conflict with law is anyone under 18 who has committed an offence. After arrest, the child is produced before the Juvenile Justice Board in the district. A probation officer is assigned. And under Section 12 of the JJ Act, bail is the default. The child is usually released to their parents under supervision unless release would expose them to danger, bring them in contact with criminals, or defeat the ends of justice. If detained, the child is sent to an observation home during the inquiry period. The law classifies offences into 3 categories: petty offences, which are punishable up to 3 years in jail; serious offences, punishable between 3 and 7 years; and heinous offences, where the minimum punishment is 7 years or more, like rape or murder. Now, this distinction is very crucial. Only children who are aged 16 to 18 and accused of a heinous offence can be tried as adults under Section 15 of the JJ Act. And even then, this is possible only after the Juvenile Justice Board conducts a preliminary assessment of the child's mental capacity, physical capacity, maturity, understanding of consequences, and the circumstances of the offence itself. If trial is allowed as an adult, the child then goes to the regular court and punishment can extend up to life imprisonment. But if the offender is tried as a child by the Juvenile Justice Board, the maximum punishment is 3 years in an observation or special home. The inquiry also includes a social investigation report which examines the child's background, education, health, family environment, and rehabilitation needs. On paper, the law is very detailed. In reality, the system is overstretched. NCRB data for 2023 records over 40,000 juvenile offenders arrested, with nearly 80% involving children aged 16 to 18. The India Justice Report of 2025 shows severe infrastructure shortages. Only 319 observation homes exist across the country. Nearly half of the childcare institutions don't have counselors, and massive gaps are there in probation officers who are supposed to be at least 1 per district. At a time when children are exposed to violence, neglect, exploitation, and pornography, the framework meant for reform or judge them is struggling to cope. So when these cases dominate the headlines, the real question remains: is the juvenile justice system equipped to respond to the needs?
Mom.